how to get the pedal dress even though you didn't get the code. First, you need to get the Lana Tutu and then the witch car set and then the the cat car set and then the 4 billion code skirt and then the skirt like the thingy, the one with no layer and layer.